All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this key for the background of isotopes, and this is using stable isotopes to determine material origin. So you should go through and read this, the background page, all the way down to the bottom. This is an important piece here. The isotope name in this example is strontium-88. It includes the mass number and the element name or symbol. And there's two ways that you can write this. You can either write it out strontium-88 or just use the symbol SR88. The isotope symbol will have the atomic mass on the top left and the atomic number bottom left with the element symbol to the right of both of those numbers. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the accompanying worksheet here. So it says to define the following terms. And there's no one exact definition here. I just want to give you what I have. The atomic number is the number of protons in an atom, and it determines the atom's identity. Okay, mass number is the total number of nucleons, meaning protons and neutrons, in the atom. And isotopes, atoms of the same element that have different number of neutrons, meaning they have different mass numbers. But because they're the same element, they have to have the same atomic number. Okay, subatomic particles says to fill in the table with properties of subatomic particles. So proton has a relative mass in atomic mass units of 1. It has a 1 plus charge, and it's in the nucleus. Neutrons, likewise, have a mass of 1. They have no charge, hence the name neutron, and they're also in the nucleus. Electrons have relatively no mass. They have a negative 1 charge, and they orbit outside of the nucleus. So those are the subatomic particles that should be reviewed. And here we have isotopes. Complete the table with information about each neutral atom. Okay, so some of this is filled out for you. Other parts you have to fill in. So oxygen 16 has 8 protons, 8 neutrons. The 8 makes it oxygen. The sum of these two 8s, the nucleons, will make it oxygen 16. And it has 8 electrons to balance the charge of the 8 protons. Okay, so it has a mass number of 16, and its isotope symbol will be 16 on top left, 8 bottom left, and the element symbol is a capital O. I suggest maybe pausing this video and looking through this to check your work. The rest of these are all very similar, but with different pieces of information given to you. All right, and that's all there is for this worksheet here.